Jake. Just glad you're okay, man.
Yeah, that'll be some good video.
Did Phil?